How much should you actually spend on an electric staple gun? Because people love the budget options, but often find the pricier ones disappointing. It's a little puzzling, but today we're clearing up the confusion. Product number 1, Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun. First up is the Bielmeier Electric Staple Gun by Populo. Priced around $27, it caught my attention with its cordless design and inclusion of 1,200 staples. If you want a reliable tool that reduces fatigue during long projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cordless staple gun is powered by a 4V lithium battery, which means no more tangled cords or compressor hassles. You can shoot about 850 staples per charge, making it perfect for quick upholstery jobs or DIY crafts. Plus, its lightweight design, only 1.6 pounds, makes it easy to carry around the house. Now, some folks complained about the occasional jam. Here's the thing though, while that can be annoying, it's not a deal breaker if you're prepared to do a quick clear. In the end, the fast charging and ease of use make a solid choice for most. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who dabbles in light upholstery work. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty tasks. But honestly, for everyday use, it offers great value for money. Now, if the occasional jamming issue doesn't sit well with you, the next option might be a better fit. Product number 2, Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun. Next, we have the Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun, priced at $48.99. This one caught my eye because it comes with a whopping 3,750 staples. If you're looking for something that's professional grade, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It operates at 60 to 100 psi, which means it delivers a powerful and consistent shot with minimal effort. Plus, it has a contact safety feature that prevents misfires, making it safer for inexperienced users. The adjustable exhaust lets you control airflow, which is handy when working in tighter spaces. With its comfortable grip, you can work longer without tiring out. But I'll be real with you. You need an air compressor to use this, which some buyers found inconvenient. For those who don't have one, this could be a deal breaker. However, if you're already set up with a compressor, the performance is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious DIYer. Skip this one if you're just looking for simple home repairs, but if you need power and reliability, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer electric. Product number 3, Aero Electric Staple Gun Kit. The third product is the Aero Electric Staple Gun Kit, retailing for $49.99. I was impressed by its inclusion of 3,750 staples right out of the gate. If you want a tool that gives you the power without the hassle, this is a strong contender. So, why should you consider this? Well, it features a powerful electric motor that fires up to 60 staples per minute. That's a huge time saver for larger projects. The 8-foot power cord allows you to reach most areas without needing an extension. Plus, with its contact safety mechanism, you won't have to worry about misfires. However, some users noted that the cord can be a bit restrictive compared to cordless models. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated workspace, you'll appreciate the consistent power supply without needing to recharge. This is perfect for you if you tackle medium to large projects often. Skip this one if you need complete portability, but for power and efficiency, it's hard to beat. Now, if the corded option doesn't appeal to you, wait until you see what the next product offers. Product number 4, NEU Master Electric Staple Gun. Coming in at number 4 is the NEU Master Electric Staple Gun, priced at $49.99. Its bright green design caught my eye, but what really impressed me was its claims about stability and shooting. If you want a reliable cordless option, this one's worth a look. What makes this a standout? Powered by a 1,500 mAh battery, you can shoot up to 800 staples per charge. That's plenty for most upholstery or DIY projects. The reinforced impact drive offers stable shooting, meaning fewer jams and misfires, which could be a real pain during work. Plus, its ETL certification means it meets strict safety standards. But here's the catch. Some users mention it feels a bit heavier than expected at 1.3 kilograms. While that might be an issue for prolonged use, the durability and performance really shine, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you like the idea of a sturdy, reliable tool for home projects. Skip this one if you're after something super lightweight, but for its price, it's a solid investment. Now, if weight is a concern for you, the last product is lighter and might just fit your needs. Product number 5, Arrow Cordless Staple Gun Kit. Finally, we have the Arrow Cordless Staple Gun Kit, priced at $69.99. This one really stands out with its combination of power and portability. If you want the freedom to move around without being tethered, this could be your best option. Here's why this is a great choice. It can fire up to 500 staples per charge, and with a full charge, you'll be able to work on a variety of projects without interruption. Its contact safety feature is a must-have for safe operation, which is particularly important if you're new to using staple guns. Plus, the quick-release mechanism allows for easy reloading. Some users noted that it takes longer to recharge than expected. But honestly, if you can plan your projects around charging times, the convenience of not being tethered is a huge plus. This is perfect for you if you value mobility and ease of use. Skip this one if you need to work in quick bursts without waiting for a recharge. But for most users, the freedom it offers is worth it. So there you have it. 5 fantastic electric staple guns, each with its unique strengths. The Bielmeier is great for casual users, while the Arrow pneumatic is perfect for professionals. The Arrow electric kit offers solid performance. The NEU Master is reliable and safe, and the Arrow cordless gives you the freedom to move. Whatever your project, there's an option here that can meet your needs.